Hello everyone and welcome back to CW's Health and Fitness. I'm CW and today we're tackling a common yet unwelcome visitor, the cold and flu. If you've been hit by the sniffles or body aches, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 6 DIY remedies to kick cold and flu to the curb. But before we jump into these natural solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tips on health and wellness. Now let's dive into these home remedies to help you feel better, fast. Our first DIY remedy is a classic warm honey lemon water. It's soothing for a sore throat, boosts hydration, and provides vitamin C to help your body fight off the bug. Just mix warm water, honey, and a squeeze of fresh lemon and sip it throughout the day. Another effective remedy is steam inhalation. Boil a pot of water, remove it from the heat, and lean over the steam while covering your head with a towel. Inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. It helps relieve congestion and eases breathing. Ginger and turmeric tea is a powerhouse against cold and flu symptoms. These spices have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Brew a cup by simmering ginger and turmeric in hot water, then sip to soothe discomfort. Chicken soup isn't just a comfort food, it's a healing elixir. The warm broth can help clear congestion and the nutrients support your immune system. Make a batch of homemade chicken soup with plenty of veggies to nourish your body. For a sore throat, try a saltwater gargle. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. This simple remedy can reduce throat inflammation and discomfort. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of rest and hydration. Your body needs both to recover. Get plenty of sleep and drink water, herbal teas, and clear broths to stay hydrated. And there you have it. 6 DIY remedies to kick cold and flu to the curb. Remember, these remedies are here to support your body's natural healing process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and leave a comment.